Once you get your money, you will never contact me. And lastly, any information leakage on this heist, the punishment is death.
Are you kidding me? I told you the car has to come today, not 3 months ago. You gotta be kidding me, man. Listen.
We will take over his business. I don't want any competition. I like to rule.
How are you going to pay me back? Will you be able to pay me back? Yes or no?
Okay guys, make no mistakes. There are 3 entrances to the bank. Bonnie and Abby, you will be taking care of the first entrance. Lisa and Isa, you will take care of the back door.
No. This cannot happen. No, I'm not gonna wait. My competitor has his car now for 1 month.
I have a plan, and I need you on my side. I want you to start buying all of his shares.
Do you know how much money we have lost last week? $20 million.
Do this. I know it's going to make you happy. I know it's going to make you better.
I just want to say something to you, okay? What I want to say is that I never expected a girl like you will come in my life and will change my whole life.
And in this city, what belongs to me belongs to me. You have to give me my truck back, man.
I was thinking of my mother. How she was screaming. How she couldn't breathe. How this was happening. This keeps happening in my head over and over again.
I needed support from you today, alright? You know how important this is? And you know why I needed that car today.
It will be a pleasure to have you in. Just remember, we do not shoot women or kids.
There are 3 entrances. The main entrance and the 2 back entrances. Bonnie, Abi, and Tasia. You'll deal with the main entrance. Nagina and Isa, you'll deal with the back entrances. You will be regret of this. What the hell do you mean the delivery was delayed? What is that supposed to mean? That's unacceptable. Listen,
Do you know how much money you cost me? $20 million.
It's a pleasure to have you in our team. Just remember, we don't shoot on women and kids.